Just gonna go to a spot and I'm gonna go over the mods for the car. I know some of you have asked for it and I haven't done it, so we'll do that. I'll see you guys there. Let's see if you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds pretty good. The easiest part to start with, we're going to start with the front bumper. We have a gorgeous M3 style bumper. This doesn't come on the car. I had to buy it aftermarket, get it repainted and everything. Sorry if the wind is bad. Not great conditions, but I thought it looks pretty aggressive. Really nice. It's missing the headlight cover, wiper covers or whatever they're called. I need to find those somehow. If you guys know where to find those, let me know. Then we got the black kidney grills. Looks really good. I actually have carbon ones to replace these, but for right now we're rocking the black. Also, I have upgraded headlights we're gonna do. We'll kind of go over those mods that I have after this. I do have the crossbar here. It's like a plastic. I got it off Amazon. They have different colors. I figured get white, match the car, it'll look pretty good. I have this emblem. It looks like it's fading. I didn't even realize it. Cheap emblem, I guess, but I think it's like the 50th anniversary emblem or something along those lines. Figured it matched the car pretty well, but it's fading now, so that's great. All right, so the next obvious thing are the wheels. So these are 19 by, I think, 9.5, and then 19 by 10, if I'm remembering correctly. They're a copper finish. They're dirty. It just rained. So not the cleanest, but I wanted to still show these off. I think it looks good with the white. Contrasts really well. You don't see it too often. And I didn't want to be, you know, like everybody else. Then I got these carbon fiber mirror caps. I'll try to leave a link to everything down below so you guys can check it out, but these are M-style mirror caps. I got them off of Amazon, I believe, as well as the smoked turn signals. These smoked turn signals used to be chrome, but I think it looks really good. They're amber as well. They flash amber color and it looks super clean. And then I got a roof wrap. MB Auto Works, so he did a beautiful black roof wrap to break up the car a little bit. It was all white and it just needed something, and I think it gives a little bit more aggression, which is nice. I also do have 5% tint all the way around. As you can see, it's really dark. It's because I did 35% on the front windshield, and it looks great. I can drive at night and it gives me great privacy. Another small mod I have is this shark fin. It's real carbon fiber. I believe I got this off Amazon as well. Looks really good, flows well with the roof and awkward with the car driving by. So weird vlogging in public. I feel so uncomfortable. Anyway, got that, and to go with it, kind of flowing with the theme, is this rear duckbill. It looks really aggressive. I like it. Gives a nice little look without being too much. I really enjoy it. Give you a different angle of it, but looks nice. I believe that was Amazon as well. I forgot to mention, I do have the M-style side skirts as well as the M-style rear bumper, which I got painted to match the car, Alpine white. So I wanted a more aggressive look. The stock I had was just too boring for me. And then I got some carbon fiber tips. These tips, I might switch them out. It looks like they're kind of fading a little bit. And then the exhaust setup I have is a resonator delete with a muffler delete. And it sounds pretty good. It's pretty tamed. Not overly loud, not overly quiet, but still fun. And I also have ECS coilovers, I believe. So I need to go down in the front a little bit. It's a little too high for my liking. And then I need to add a smidge more camber in the rear. It's a pretty tight fit. As you can see, it's kind of poking, so I need a little rear camber. It rubs a smidge, but not bad. But that's it for the exterior. It's not too bad. I have a lot more that I need to get done. Later in the video, I'll go over what I need for the exterior, what I have. Oh, one thing I do want to mention, I do have a cold air intake from, I believe, ECS tuning as well. Nothing cool, just a basic air intake. For the interior, I do have this aftermarket steering wheel. It has Alcantara with some white stitching. It's kind of rubbing off a little bit. I don't know if it's just not good Alcantara or real, but I barely touched the side and it's fading a smidge, which kind of sucks. I got this from a special place from China. I'll go over that. I do want to go over my build a little bit more. I'm just a little nervous to go over it, but we'll go over the parts one day and where I got them. Some of these parts probably going to hate me for, but I'll be for another video. Another thing we got magnetic paddles for both sides. Only problem is my downshift upshifts and my upshifts. So I don't know if that's a programming thing I need to figure out, or I wired it incorrectly. I don't know, but I need to get that sorted. I got carbon bits everywhere, carbon door handles, all that good stuff. Then we got a Extron's large screen. It's pretty large. Some people don't like this. I personally enjoy it. Here, I'll turn it on for you guys. So this screen is pretty large. A lot of people say it doesn't look OEM, and so that's why they don't like it. It kind of sits in a different location. Oh, there we go. It is fully touchscreen, so you can, like, you know, go in here, you can type, you can search for stuff, all that. You can also use the steering wheel control, which is nice, but I love this thing. It's clutch. Again, some people don't like it, but I really love it. We have more carbon fiber pieces here. All of it's real carbon fiber. I don't buy the fake stuff, so that's all legitimate. I take it back. I shouldn't say it's real. It is real carbon fiber. It's just carbon fiber laid and then has an adhesive on the back so you can stick it on, but it is still legitimate carbon fiber. It's just a sticker. I don't know, it's hard to explain. And then I got this crystal button for the start button. I really like that. Got carbon fiber here. It's all real carbon fiber. Got the shift knob and the accents and everything. Spices up the interior a little bit because there's a lot of plastic everywhere. And then I got the phone charger here. You can see little phone charger. It flaps open still, but it is, I forgot who sells this. I don't remember, but it works for, you know, Apple and stuff like that. Android, it works a little bit, but it really supports the MagSafe. So I know Androids are coming out with MagSafe, or have come out with MagSafe. Mine doesn't do it very well. You can kind of see it. I did it for a second. But it would work way better with an iPhone. It's awesome though, because this, I don't want wires hanging everywhere. I don't want, you know, a mess. It's nice to just slip my phone in here and hold it and be out of the way. And I can still put drinks, which is really nice. Then I got the carbon fiber dash here. It's okay. It's cut kind of wonky. You don't really notice it until you actually look closely, but I think that's about it for the interior. Nothing too special. There is some upgrades I want to do. I do have an ambient lighting kit that I want to install here. I haven't installed it quite yet. It seems like it's a pain, but we'll get to that. That's one thing for the interior I want to do, and I need to fix those. I need to fix those pedals so I can actually downshift. But I think I need Beamer code to possibly code it out. I'm not 100% sure. And then I got the pedals. I believe, are they M-style pedals? I don't remember what kind of pedals those are. But I have those. It's a tiny mod, but it's kind of cool. Gives you a little more, not luxury, but kind of sportiness to your car. You don't really notice them, to be honest. I get in the car and I'm like, oh, I completely forgot I had those. All right, so exterior wise, the mods that I have that I actually haven't put on yet are a front lip. So it's a PSM style front lip, side skirts as well, PSM, and then I have a rear diffuser, PSM style, all carbon fiber. I need to install those. I have a bunch of engine mods that I need to do as well. There's intercooler that I have to upgrade. I have charge pipe, I have down pipes, I forgot what else, but I have a bunch of stuff to do a stage 2 tune. I have new headlights, better looking headlights. These are kind of, they're okay, they're good for OEM, but I have the meaner style, M style. And then in the rear, I do have new taillights as well. They're kind of smoked and they're more white, so I think that'll look really good. So I have to install those. What else do I have? I think that's about it. We're gonna try to go for, you know, a different look. We're trying to upgrade it before a show in December, so hopefully we can make it. We're going to Fuel Fest, I think. I hope. I want to at least get the cosmetic mods done, so that way I have new headlights, taillights, all the carbon pieces for the diffuser and side skirts and all that. So, and I want to get my fitment dialed in for the show. It doesn't look too bad. I love and hate it. I don't know why. It's just a love-hate for me. But what do you guys think? Do you like it? What are your thoughts on the mods? What do you think we can do more of? What kind of videos do you guys want to see? Do you want to see more videos with this car? Oh, I forgot. We also have the carbon little fins there that we can do. I have a few more little mods for the interior, but little carbon bits here and there. But that's it. If you don't mind, it would really help if you like, comment, subscribe. Again, we're trying to hit 5K, and thank you to everybody that's, you know, supported me up to now. And it's been a journey. This is the hardest part of YouTube, so I hope I can you know, make you guys proud and do really well with these videos. I'm really bad at talking about myself and to myself. It's really hard, but the more I do it, the more I get better at it. So I love you guys. That's it for this video. Peace.